What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how I set up my YouTube studio. Stay tuned. So it's been about a year since I had created my own YouTube studio out of scraps, and how to set it all up. I spent an enormous amount of time to learn how to get lighting right, how to get the right thing going, and I spent some money in lighting. Now the next thing was for me was the space. So when we're thinking about space, we see this space right here that you can maybe see in the background right over here, where I created my own sign. I know I don't have lighting on right now, but if we look in the front part, you're actually going to see how my setup usually looks like, except for this huge box anyway. But I have decided to move all that. So this is usually my YouTube studio setup right over there. You can see it all like right there. That's pretty much like how it's usually set up and where I film myself. Ever since I started this whole thing, I decided I wanted a little bit more. When you look, this is like 12 by 24 feet. My studio was only part of that little bit of this workshop. So I decided to go bigger. As you can see, I cleaned out all these walls already, and I visualized that I need my workbench on this side. So reason for that is because I just simply decided I wanted to go more YouTube, less working on cars, less working on bikes. And so therefore my workbench is going to go to this side, and I'm going to have a whole 24-footer 10 by 24 feet area that I can make up for my own stuff. So I started already moving everything around, and it's only been like what, a whole day that I did this. So one whole day just to move everything around and throw some of the stuff out that I'm actually never really used for the last 10 years. So we all do that, we all hoard. And I'm gonna hit you up with a time-lapse. That time-lapse is gonna show you how I'm gonna paint all that stuff and how I'm gonna rearrange stuff around. Hey, enjoy the show. Thanks for coming. There you got it, guys. 5 days later, a lot of work has been going into this, and I finally done. So hope you guys like this. Check it out. you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of work, 5 days total, and I think it came up pretty good. I wish you guys all the best for 2021. Here, as promised, my best shots of 2020, Autel Evo 2, Paradigm Offie, and DJI Mavic Mini. Don't forget, COVID-19 is still out there to get you. Be a nice human, wash your hands, wear your mask. Aloha, everybody.